everyone. Thank you for joining me in today's presentation. My purpose today is to present research on peer tutoring to improve the speaking proficiency of multi-age EFL students. This talk is divided into four main parts: the background of the study, the methods, the finding with discussions, and the conclusions combined with suggestions. My presentations will take about 7 minutes. I'll be happy to answer any question at the end of my presentations. Background of the study. The class where this research was conducted consisted of students of different ages and English proficiency level. This multi-age classroom situation created challenge in speaking activities as students showed varying abilities in using English. Many students experience difficulties in fluency, vocabulary, grammar, pronunciations, and confidence. They often hesitated to speak, used limited vocabulary, and were afraid of making mistakes, which caused low participation during speaking activities. Due to this problem, an effective teaching strategy was needed to create a supportive learning environment. Peer tutoring was chosen because it allowed students to learn collaboratively and support one another. Through interaction with peers, students were expected to feel more comfortable practicing English, become more confident, and improve their speaking skill. Therefore, this study focused on implementing peer tutoring to improve the speaking proficiency of multi-age EFL students. Methods. This study used classroom action research carried out into cycle. With 15 students, I collected data using speaking tests, observations, interview, questionnaire, and field notes. Each cycle involved planning, acting, observing, and reflecting to improve student speaking performance step by step. If we look at this slide, you'll see table 1 showing the improvement of student speaking score. This table is used to answer research question 1 about the impact of peer tutoring on multi-age student speaking skill. The overall score moved from 1.5 in the pretest to 1.96 in cycle 1 and 2.3 in cycle 2. Fluency improved the most from 1.2 to 2.5, and other aspects such as pronunciations, grammar, vocabulary, and content also increased. This table shows the percentage improvement for each speaking aspect, and it is used to answer research questions too. About the most improved speaking element, fluency rose by 83%, grammar by 63%, while vocabulary and content improved strongly in the second cycle. Let's now move on the discussions of this finding. Discussions on overall, the students become more confident and more active during speaking activities. Peer tutoring encourages them to practice more frequently, learn from their peers, and feel less afraid of making mistakes. The classroom atmosphere also became more positive and collaborative. For instance, vocabulary improved from 1.1 to 2.4, showing that students became more comfortable using new words. What I'm trying to say is that peer tutoring helped build a supportive environment that motivated students to speak more. Incidentally, a few students maintained that before this program, they hardly practiced English outside of school. Let me now sum up. Peer tutoring improved all speaking aspects, fluency, grammar, vocabulary, and content, while increasing students' confidence. Let me end by saying that peer tutoring is an effective strategy for helping multi-age students improve their speaking skill. Conclusions. The research shows with consistent improvement across all speaking components, and students become more confident, engaged, and motivated throughout the process. Teachers are encouraged to use peer tutoring regularly to support speaking practice, especially in mixed-level classroom. Students should continue practicing English with their peers, but inside and outside the classroom. Future researchers might explore the use of peer tutoring for other language skills or in larger groups. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment, and I'll be happy to answer them.